Hi, this is Imi from iTradeAIMS.com, AIMS Stress-Free Trading. This is a quick video to show you how I look at my hourly charts. Even if there are dozens of them, it doesn't really take a long time. And meanwhile, I'm going to look at a couple of trades as well. So this is the Australian dollar yen. What I would look at is a 3 and a 4, and I have the purple inside, not interested. So I have this little cool shortcut coded into my mouse, which is a shortcut, so it's got extra buttons, a gaming mouse. So I have these control tab and shift control tab. So a control tab, when you do that, it takes the chart to the next tab. If you have multiple charts, you know that tabs at the bottom of let me show you. See, like these tabs. So if I do control tab, it will go forward, and if I do shift control tab, it's going to go backward. But the charts have to be aligned. So anyway, that's a quick tip. And so I do that, and I have coded that into my mouse, so you might hear the clicks that I actually do. So click, I go forward. Oh, this is a let's go back to the normal template. There we go. So this is something that I could have been traded, but this is early. I did not do it, and I don't like 2 days wave 4s. Understand that this is a 3 down, which is a 1 day, and a 4 to the sideways is 2 days. I don't like these ones because this is too far big a box. I could be wrong sometime. This is just a 3, so we will probably mark it around here, probably turn into a wave 4 tomorrow. We'll see. So we can put that on the list. This has already happened, so this should have been like traded at midnight, because this is a 3, 4, and a 5. This is a setup 0. Let's go forward, go forward. I've been messing around with my charts with this template because I'm always looking for something. Right, so this we have a 3 and a 4 is setting up. So this is a very small 3, and the 4 down is very, so for this I would have to like go into further and inspect it. At the moment, not really interested, but I will keep a look at it. The dollar CAD, we have a 3 down, 4 up, very confusing. This is a 3, 4, 5 completed. Next. Okay, this is the way you see the chart is a way of analyzing the box. So what I call the AIMS 2.0, sometimes I look at it, but it's best to have the template right. So in this template, if you look at it, it's a setup 0, and your entry would be at least above the red line. So you could have taken this at Frankfurt Open, and frankly I should have done that, but I actually have done it in a different way, and I will show you that in a bit. As we can see that most of the euros are dropping, and that would lead to one good news, which is, okay, before I go to the euro dollar, this is a euro pound chart. So a euro pound chart, and this is the waltz signal. I shouldn't be telling you this, but I'm telling you. Price action gurus, listen carefully. Even if you look at price only or with indicators, it's all about a pattern. If you can find a pattern that I can repeat, you can find it and it repeats itself, and you have done the testing on it and it gives you an edge, you do that. Whether it's with indicator, whether it's with chart, whether it's with lines and stuff. And I know with all those, you know, all these prices king guys will always have these moving averages and trend lines and all that stuff in there when they do that. So it's either you get an algorithmic trading like what we do, we have already coded it and they create the patterns, or you just look at the price. So what are the price action trading? It's like they either deal with the levels, or they look at the way the candles are formatted. So if you are one of those price action guys who actually looks at the candle patterns, then look at this. This is two trend bars and 2 corrective bars. This is H1. You have to go to 10 or 15 multiple down. We go to M5, check what is here. This is a 3 down, a 4 up, and a fantastic setup one. A fantastic setup one. Now let's put target zone 1 on it. Look at this. Bang. So if you entered here, 10 pip stop loss, you got 13 profit here. What we could have done is that as soon as it triggers, your stop loss will be above this. So ideally your risk would be only 6 points, and you would have made 12. That's 1:2. I'll take it any day. This is euro yen, not ready. And this is my trade. This is euro dollar, a fantastic wave 3 down. So it's a wave 3 down with 1 and 2 days, 2.5 days of wave 3, and then a day of wave 4. That's the perfect way of doing it. So now we have a nice lovely 20 pip stop loss, and now it's hitting the bottom, the peak of wave 3. This is where the peak of wave 3 is. So my bot will in a bit actually change this stop loss to break even, and this is where my target point is. And if you are guessing it's target zone 1, yes, absolutely, because that's how we trade. Our target is just above the target zone 1, and it is usually, if stop loss is 20, target is going to be 40. Simple as that. And I think in this short video you learned about 2 of my trading strategies. If you play it again, you will know exactly what I mean. But if you want the indicators and if you want to learn it in depth, consider joining. See you later.
Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if yes, please hit the like button. Do you have any questions or ideas for upcoming videos? Then leave a comment. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos. See you